So would you like to feel what is proxy chanting? Let's do it.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's do that.
Okay.
Let's do that.
Okay. Okay, everybody. So I'm giving you some instructions which you all have to follow it. As of now, I will be doing a group chanting for all. It will be a financial abundance. We will set a specific one single intention for all. Because as you are many people, so we can't set an individual intention. So let it be simple: financial abundance, happiness. Okay. And as per that intention, I have framed one switch phrase, which I will be chanting loudly. Okay. So when I will tell you to set an intention, you have to just say your name. Like Khushali Gaurang Somaiya, intention is financial abundance. Close your eyes, and whatever I'm going to chant, that you can chant it in a mind. So let's start. Take a deep breath. Relax. Take a deep breath. Relax. Say your name. My name is Khushali Gaurang Somaiya. You have to say your name in mind. Set an intention. Financial abundance. Forget about all your worries, blockages, negativities, stuck money. Just forgive yourself and everyone. As of now, you have to focus only on one thing, that is your intention. Hold your intention throughout the chanting process. Have a faith in this process, and universe will definitely help everybody. Let's do the chanting process. Once again, take a deep breath, relax, relax. So for financial abundance, bring rainbow, charm, count, jackpot. 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 Visualize your intention. Hold it. It's a financial abundance. No negativity. You all are surrounded with a positive minds, positivity. You all are having a positive mindset. Bring rainbow, charm, count, jackpot. 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 Take a deep breath, relax. Focus on your intention once again. Say gratitude to universe, gratitude to mentors. Be in a receiving mode. Financial abundance is on your way. Open your arm, facing towards sky. Just smile, smile, smile. Financial abundance is on your way. Just smile, keep your hands open, facing towards sky. Gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. Just 1 minute, keep your eyes closed. Bring rainbow, charm, count, jackpot. Bring rainbow, charm, count, jackpot. bring rainbow, charm count jackpot, bring rainbow, charm count jackpot. Now slowly, slowly, you can keep your eyes open. Now you can open your eyes. You can open your eyes. Gratitude to universe, gratitude to mentors. Gratitude, gratitude, gratitude.
Gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. Okay, I'm going to wait to ask everybody how they feel as I'm telling you something. So with you chanting, without really complete knowledge of which word means exactly what, but for sure the rainbow was definitely seen. Jackpot was definitely seen. The jackpot is pouring into me. I'm counting it and it's going straight into my bank account.
Awesome.
So I'm going to wait for people to get back and let us know what they experienced or felt with this very tiny glimpse and small experience with proxy. So this is what you mean by proxy chanting, where you're chanting for somebody else.
Yeah, this is called the proxy switch words chanting. So proxy means someone else is chanting on behalf of you. So like you have to give me an intention, like you would like to manifest financial abundance, or you would like to manifest any other thing pertaining to money. And then I will be chanting on behalf of you. So whatever you are having an intention, that I will keep it in my mind. So you must be having a question, how I can tap your subconscious mind. As the previously I told that basically how the switch words work, we are tapping into the subconscious mind. So how I can tap your subconscious mind? So we all are connected by the collective consciousness of the subconscious mind. So we all can tap each other's subconscious mind. So I can keep Nilu's intention in my mind. Then accordingly, I have to choose a correct, appropriate switch phrase. And then if I'll chant, then Nilu will get the results, because in intention, Nilu is in my mind.
And you're taking the name.
Yes, correct. So this was just a glimpse of 2 minutes. Actually, we are chanting for at least 25, 27 minutes for each and every person as per their intention.
Right.